Indian Oil is a pioneer in oil pipelines in the country. Indian Oil manages one of the world's largest oil pipeline networks. Pipelines are the irreplaceable core of the oil and gas transportation system of energy-intensive economies. Cross-country oil pipelines are the most energy-efficient, safe, environment-friendly and economic way to ship hydrocarbons over long distances. Pipeline, like other modes of transportation, are expensive to build, but have long lives when properly maintained. Pipeline integrity assessment and management is a process that ensures that pipelines operate safely. Pipeline integrity is tied to the continuous development and robustness of societies, because pipeline failures may result in dire environmental, societal, and economic consequences. Reliability and integrity of such a vast spread out pipeline networks of oil and gas industry needs periodic assessment. This is carried out using Instrumented Pipeline Inspection Gauge (IPIG) to assure economical and environmentally safe transportation of petroleum products. Indian Oil R&D has developed and deployed magnetic flux leakage-based InScan series of IPIG tools, ranging from 10-inch to 30-inch for inline inspection of oil and gas cross-country pipelines. The InScan series of high-resolution IPIG tools are backed by AI/ML-based software for data analysis. InScan tools can detect pipeline anomalies and corrosion defects accurately. Over 12,000 kilometers of inline inspection has been carried out in pipelines using the indigenous InScan series of tools. To provide the flow solutions for achieving operational excellence, Indian Oil R&D has developed simulated laboratory facilities at Pipeline Research Department. The rheological problems are addressed through series of laboratory testing followed by software simulations to overcome the increasing shear and friction forces, selection and dosing of chemicals and blending. Several successful transportation methodologies have been developed and successfully deployed in cross-country pipelines for operational and economic benefit for heavy crudes, ethanol-blended gasoline in multi-product pipeline, straight-run LPG, and performance evaluation of pour-point depressants and drag, reducing additives which improve the flow. As a part of the integrity assessment, the Pipeline Research Department is equipped with facilities for corrosion studies. Several methodologies through the systematic laboratory and site studies have been developed and deployed in cross-country pipelines for mitigation of corrosion, sour crude transportation, selection of corrosion inhibitors, and microbial-influenced corrosion. To mitigate the microbiologically influenced corrosion in cross-country pipelines, Indian Oil has developed capabilities for DNA-based patented biocide formulation and application methodology to treat the entire pipeline section. This is done through shock and continuous dosing without affecting the operation of the pipeline. The MIC mitigation technique developed by Indian Oil R&D has been utilized successfully for treating various sections of cross-country pipeline. Indian Oil R&D has developed indigenous high-performance and cost-effective formulation of corrosion inhibitor, Servo-PCI, for internal protection of pipelines during transportation of non-ATF products based on novel chemistry. Indian Oil R&D has also developed Servo-CCI, a corrosion inhibitor based on innovative formulation and is being used extensively for offshore and onshore pipeline application. These cost-effective products have provided excellent corrosion protection results in the pipelines.